My name is Alin Brătuleanu, Digital Cafe Technician, and welcome to Digital Cafe. Today we're going to explore the extensive offerings of Digital Cafe. At Digital Cafe, we're equipped to handle a wide array of issues, whether it's something as simple as resetting passwords or configuring email settings, or more complex tasks like hardware repairs or network troubleshooting, we've got you covered. From work laptop functionalities to software glitches, no problem is too big or too small for us to tackle. Requesting assistance is very simple. Colleagues can come directly to Digital Cafe in the Bucharest office and create a ticket from our local tablet. It's quick, it's easy, and it gets the job done. We understand that time is of the essence. That's why we strive to resolve most issues within a speedy 15 minutes. Of course, for more complex issues, it may take a bit longer. We'll keep you in the loop every step of the way, and if needed, we can provide temporary solutions, such as a backup laptop, to keep you up and running. Absolutely! Whether you're in need of a new mouse or a new pair of headsets or even a laptop charger, we've got you covered. And if you require any other peripherals, such as a monitor or cables, we'll make it happen. We understand that your time is valuable and we aim to get you back to work as soon as possible. But beyond that, Digital Cafe offers a unique experience. Not only can you get issues sorted, but you can also do so in a welcoming and relaxed environment. So why settle for just fixing your problems when you can enjoy a cup of coffee and some good company while you're at it? Digital Cafe transcends the typical support service. It's a fusion of technology and convenience, complemented by a touch of hospitality.